Hello, hello. How are you?
Good, good. Very, very happy birthday to you.
Thank you
Oh,
so much.
so glad
Thank
you
you
could.
so much.
We are honored to be, joining you on your birthday, and so glad you can celebrate your birthday with biryani by kilo. Really, really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Really appreciate
actually,
it. Yeah.
I would like to show so much
Yeah.
biryani I have with me right now. I mean, I have quota
Hmm.
till evening.
No, no, you should. It's your birthday. You should be treated like a princess today, and we are glad to be taking care if we can.
No, it's amazing that I
Hmm,
mean,
hmm,
just a
hmm.
few days back when I heard that the delivery is on, and I think you resumed, or it was always on.
It was always on. We have tried to be on wherever allowed. In Mumbai, we have been on, and Delhi NCR, Pune, etc. Sorry, Debina, we lost you for a while. Were you able to hear what I said?
No, I could not because I could read the comments, but I could not.
Okay.
You became still.
So
So
we are taking, so we have been tried because we are taking all the safety and hygiene precautions. The viewers can go to the safety standards tab in Biryani by Kilo website, and we are taking and we have tried. We have to save jobs and we have to take care of whatever CSR activities. So we have tried to be on as much as we can. In Bombay, NCR, Pune, Dehradun, Jaipur, we have been on. In most states, wherever the government has allowed us, we have been on. Sorry, I think was there a bad connection or is it
and
fine?
precautions in the kitchen. So how are you doing it? You are testing the fever of the people who are coming, who are working, and
Hmm.
how else?
So
So
we are
along with
taking
me, the
temperature.
viewers will also get to know.
No, no, please. It's a very fair question. So we take temperature of all the employees in morning, evening. The kitchen is sanitized every 1 hour. The delivery bags are sanitized after every order. And the most important in case of biryani by kilo, we make fresh dum cooked handi biryani. So every handi is prepared after order and dum cooked in that. So the handi is sealed, untouched by hands. It's only opened by the customer. And also it is put in a temper proof bag and contactless delivery. So we have taken all the precautions which can make the customers feel safe in this environment.
Okay, so after you get the order, then you cook it in this handi only.
Yes, yes. So because we don't believe in reheating the biryani, we make it because biryani is supposed to be dum cooked. That's why we deliver after almost around an hour after the order. We don't deliver like in 30 minutes because biryani cannot be dum cooked in 10 minutes like or made like pizza in 7-8 minutes. So that's why it takes dum cooking takes 30-35 minutes. So it's a
Yes,
fresh
I
dum
can see
cooked
all the
biryani.
handis are like absolutely sealed, and
Hmm.
it's in that handi. In spite of that, after coming, I have sanitized it also at home, and
Yeah,
after checking all your hygiene and all, that's when I thought, okay, fine, I can celebrate my birthday with biryani because that's something I really love. And in the quarantine, you are actually looking for something uh, which will give you a little relief from the regular days, and this definitely is one of its kind and different. In fact, I brought in my birthday differently from the rest of the years, and digitally. So food तो you can't eat digitally ना, फूड
yeah.
डिजिटली खा नहीं सकते, तो खाना तो ऐसे ही मतलब रियल में खाना पड़ेगा, तो उसके लिए आ गया है मेरे पास, एंड आई कैन एक्चुअली सी ऑल द seal, uh, which I will open before eating.
Yes,
So I'm
yes.
glad that I did it. I ordered it from here. And इससे पहले भी हम लोगों ने खाना खाया था. The food was amazing, amazing.
Hmm.
So this is the second
So,
time we'll be eating, and
from biryani by kilo.
yes,
Yes,
second
yes,
time,
yes.
and that too in
Okay.
quarantine. How else?
No, no, and that too on your birthday. We are
And
honored. Thank you so, so much.
do you also deliver to Kandivali?
I think so. I think so. So let me check the locality while you're talking. I think someone from the team should be able to respond, but I think we do.
There's
Because
a
see, we
friend
are
of
in.
mine who lives in Kandivali.
So please tell your friend's name. At least tell the friend's name so we can at least we'll make sure that we get in touch with your friend after the call, after this Insta live.
Sure, that will be amazing.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, that will
And,
be amazing.
Devina,
And I'll try and open one. It's
okay,
very
sure,
difficult
sure.
to just open and
So
keep.
you will
It
need to use a
needs to be
spoon
like
and use it
properly.
like a lever to open. Yeah. Devina, are you from Calcutta by any chance? Are you a Bengali? Like we don't know.
What is it?
Are you a Bong? Are you from Calcutta? Are like are you
I am a Bengali, yes.
yes. So because I was looking at your order, you didn't order the Kolkata biryani. We have Lucknowi, Calcutta, and Hyderabadi. You ordered the Hyderabadi. So I thought maybe you'll cherish the Kolkata biryani, but Calcutta is more mild with egg and potato. I think most people do like Hyderabadi.
Oh, I did not know that you had a Calcutta biryani.
No, we have Calcutta. Have so we are known for very different kind of biryani.
I only saw the Hyderabadi dum puk biryani, so I thought, okay, fine, that is the thing that we have. So then it's like an icing on the cake, or rather cherry
Yeah,
on top of the icing. That
yeah, yeah,
for I mean for all the biryani lovers, कि सिर्फ
yeah.
हैदराबादी बिरयानी नहीं, यहाँ पे बंगाली बिरयानी भी मिलता है. Oh my God,
Or,
that's amazing.
or Lucknowi also. Lucknowi is more flavorsome, less spicy, very gentle. Some people who don't like spicy, they go for Lucknowi.
Oh, oh, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Maybe for next
I
time.
Yes, for sure next time. Now I know actually.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
But
Like you could have asked me before, are you a
no,
Bengali or
no,
not?
no. And I think you ordered mutton kaloti. They are one of our most popular items. I think you'll enjoy the mutton kaloti.
Yeah. So today we are all like a mixed bag, Hyderabadi with Lucknowi.
Hmm.
Lucknowi, mutton koloti is Lucknowi, right?
Hi, mutton kaloti is Lucknowi.
So
Yes,
I'm a
yes.
mixture of Hyderabadi and Lucknowi, but no Bengali.
Oh, okay. And you should tell us what is Mr. We know you are married to Mr. Gurmeet and Mr. Ram. So people ask me to ask you, like, if if Gurmeet also doing some cooking for you, then something special today?
He only made my birthday cake yesterday.
Okay, but that's a big thing. That's a good thing.
Yeah, and for all you beautiful people who are asking, I'll just put it in my vlog today how he made
Mhm.
my birthday cake. Oh my
Yeah.
God, it
How?
was amazing, and the cake also looked very nice. It was a heart shaped cake. और
Okay.
आज सुबह हम लोग सब बस वेट कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग कब बिरयानी खाए. मतलब बहुत आई थिंक आफ्टर 25 days we ordered anything from outside.
No, no,
And I
we are
think
so
that's the
glad.
case with everybody. So
Yeah.
now slowly people should actually take care of the hygiene, find out places where things are made hygienically, and
Yeah.
can order. I can see Rashmi. Rashmi, you can
Yes.
also have biryani. मैं भेज दूँ?
uh, I think a lot of people are sending you love on your birthday. I think you're very popular and very, I think, lovable. I think people are sending you too much love.
Oh my God, that's because it's my birthday, and my friend Romanch is there. So please
Uh,
try if you can send biryani to Romanch, who lives in Kandivali.
okay, sure. So I hope Biryani by Kilo team is noting. Otherwise, I'll call them after this live show.
Because the other day he lives alone and he wanted to eat something, so हम लोगों ने घर पे बना के
Hmm.
पैक भी किया. पैक
Hmm.
करके फिर सोचा स्विगी जीनी होता है,
Yeah.
तो स्विगी जीनी के हाथों भिजवा दूं, पर स्विगी जीनी ने बोला कि वो कांदिवली नहीं जाएगा. So I showed him the package. I said, see, तुम्हारा package ready था पर तुम तक पहुंचा नहीं. I'm so sorry. So when today morning I said biryani by kilo is coming, he's like, please
Hmm.
ask them know if they can deliver. So
No,
I
no,
am
no,
asking you
no.
only that he lives in Kandivali was just find out if it is possible, and I'm sure he's seeing the live. So he was more than happy. He's like, please pata karo, I'm a vegetarian, and he's a vegetarian. For all the people who are asking, Mishba, Nora, so रोमांच को खाना है बिरयानी घर पे बैठ के, so इसीलिए मैं सीधा यहीं पे पूछ रही हूँ कि कांदिवली तक पहुँच सकता है कि नहीं.
You must be a great friend with Roman. I think we'll take care. We should be. And I think for vegetarians, I think you ordered Katal biryani also. We have Katal, Chole, Paneer, lot of different veg biryani. So we have big range.
Yeah. I ordered a veg biryani, and because it's my birthday, I'll eat everything. You have no idea.
No, thank you so much. We are honored. And I was looking at before the live show, looking at some of your social media posts. I understand you helped all the washmen in your condominium to cook for them. Is that true?
Yeah, actually, they have their own facility to cook their food and eat. But that's what is called. I mean, ek din kuch alag ho jata hai, so it feels good. So because everybody is staying away from family, the watchmen are staying away from family. They are not allowed to go to their houses or come back. So I thought I would bring about a change, like a difference, like by cooking some food and sending it to them, so that they also feel that रोज की घिसे पिटे जिंदगी से थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग हो जाए, तो everybody feels good when it is different from the rest of the days.
And that too coming from Divina. So I think that's why people like you so much. I think you have a very kind heart.
Oh my God.
So at Biryani by Kilo also, we have tried, to give free meals to needy in whichever cities we are open every day. So I think as a society, we all have to do our part to help everyone we can and get through these times. I think.
Absolutely, it is very, very important that right now, because we are thinking about staying at home, being quarantined. I mean, because we have the pleasure of food, of access to television, news shows, phones, lots of entertainment at home, people to stay with, our loved ones. There are people who are just who just needs food at this moment to survive.
Right.
So if we all come together and serve the society as a whole, I think अगर लोगों को खाने की चिंता नहीं होगी तो वो लोग घर पे रहेंगे, एंड जितना ज्यादा घर पे रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा जल्दी हम लोग निकल पाएंगे. एंड मुझे भी बहुत लोग बोलते भी है दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव अंडर सर्टेन सिचुएशंस. इफ वी ऑल कम आउट टुगेदर, आई मीन डू आवर लिटिल बिट whichever way it is possible, I think हम लोग इस टाइट से निकल जाएंगे बहुत easily.
No, I completely agree. And not only food, but food given with kindness. I think food and kindness are two things I think we have to take care for everyone. And that's what keeps us all alive. I was just looking at your social media, and also I saw you had some pillow Insta, some competition. What was that? Can you tell the viewers?
No, I did not tell them. It is like I saw something interesting, and I mean, I keep telling people that even though we are at home, so subah se if we just stay in our night suit and roam around in the house, we'll feel bad. We'll feel that the day is not moving. So it is always important that subah उठ के आप तैयार होके आप घर पे रहो भले, लेकिन आप तैयार हो जाओ. So I saw this pillow fashion, so which is taking a bedroom item and making it fashionable and wearing it. I thought, let me try, and when I tried, it looked nice. So I thought, might as well post it and see. I mean, it's always good to experiment.
So did many people, is it a trend now? How is it? Because I never knew about it before I saw your post.
I think it was a trend abroad. इंडिया में बहुत लोगों ने नहीं किया, मैंने तो कर दिया. अभी मुझे पता नहीं कि मेरे बाद कितने लोगों ने किया, but I quite enjoyed doing something.
You enjoyed it. Okay. So I think like you have everything. So you're a kind person. You're gamer. You're creative. I think it's an honor to be doing the live show with you and to help you enjoy your birthday to Biryani by Kilo.
Thank you so much. So I will suggest all the people who are from Mumbai There are so many people who have joined me. They are out of India. They are from outside India. But people who are in Mumbai, they can order. But usse pehle we'll check if Romanch gets the order
No, for sure.
from
And not on,
Kachipalli.
so,
And
so,
I'm sure rest of the people who are here, they can also order because
yes, yes.
हम लोग साथ में घर पे बैठ के एंजॉय करेंगे तो और हमारा क्वारंटीन और फन होगा और enjoyable hoga instead of like eating home cooked food every day.
Everyone needs a lesson. Biryani by kilo is around 40 outlets across India. So not only Mumbai, but Pune, Delhi NCR, Gurgaon, Faridabad, Chandigarh, Mohali, Dehradun, Lucknow, Indore. So we are in lot many cities, not only Bombay. So your viewers and fans from everywhere
So
can enjoy.
you said wherever it is available, Mohali, Delhi, Gurgaon, Pune, my God. तो कहीं पे भी बैठ के आप order कर सकते हो. So I think that is amazing.
Yes.
So where are you sitting?
I am sitting in Gurgaon right now.
See.
See, the world is a oyster now.
That's what I felt that you might not be from Mumbai, you could be from somewhere else. So गुड़गांव में बैठ के हम आपने बॉम्बे में पहुंचा दिया और इंडिया के हर कोने में पहुंच सकती है बिरयानी बाय किलो. So
yes. So we always, it is a company run by professionals. We wanted to create not only a pan-India biryani chain, but a worldwide chain which all Indians can be proud of.
Absolutely. We are all so proud of you.
Yes.
And
no, thank you.
It's amazing that all the workers, they are also getting, they are also doing their job at this moment, and they are not out of job, and you are taking care of the hygiene and getting the production going, which is very very important at this moment because सारी सब कुछ बंद हो जाएगा completely. तो लोग भी आउट ऑफ जॉब हो जाएंगे और वहीं से शुरू हो रहा है ये मतलब ये मातम. तो इस तरीके से अगर हाइजीन का ख्याल रखते हुए, लोगों का ख्याल रखते हुए अगर हम लोग प्रोडक्शन जारी रखें तो हमारी इकोनॉमी भी नहीं गिरेगी, लोगों को घर बैठे मिल भी जाएगा और काम भी चलता रहेगा लोगों के. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. एंड इस तरीके से अगर सब लोग करते रहे तो आई थिंक वील गेट बैक टू सम बैलेंस, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सम बैलेंस, एंड द सोसाइटी विल हिट बैक to the normalcy.
No, I think very well said, because no matter what we believe, this thing might, even after lockdown, we'll have to be careful and things might not just go down to zero cases. So we'll have to learn to live with precautions and yet live a normal life.
Absolutely. So this is one thing that I really felt good about, and that's why I thought I will order, because अगर सब लोग ही डर के मारे घर पे बैठे रहे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Hi Gurmeet. Hi. So nice to see you. So nice to see you. Happy birthday to you as well.
Thank you so much for this biryani. I mean, we are super excited. I mean, we are eating. कब खाएंगे? कितने सालों के बाद खाएंगे बिरयानी हम लोग?
अभी खाओ. No, I can't. We can't keep you away. I think Gurmeet is trying to hint me. बहुत हो गया. अब let me enjoy birthday with my wife and let me enjoy the biryani.
Thank you बोल देता हूँ. क्योंकि खुशबू आ रही है, इतनी खुशबू आ रही है, मुझे रहा नहीं.
खुशबू ले लेके फिर भूख मर जाती है.
No, you enjoy. So, and I should congratulate you. You are a very good-looking and a very loving couple. God bless you guys and have a great life and a great birthday today. All our blessings from our side. Have a great life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.